First of all, say ta'uz and then tasmiyah, and inshallah we will start Surah Al-Fatiha. Repeat it after me. Repeat it after me. First of all, say ta'uz. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
طا. How will pronounce طا? طا pronunciation. Listen to me. طا. طا pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Okay? الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Ra will be bold because Zabar is on the Ra, so bold it. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. Okay. Lillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ra will be bold because Zabar is on the Ra. Rabbil Alameen.
Rabbil Alameen.
Are you looking like a W sign? Look at my cursor. What is this sign? Are you looking like a small W sign? What is this sign? This is Tashdeed sign.
Tajweed sign.
Yes, this is Tashdeed sign. Rabbil Alameen.
Rabbil Alameen.
Standing Zabar is on the Ain, so little bit stretch it. Rabbil Alameen.
Rabbil Alameen.
Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim.
Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim.
Malik Yawmiddin.
Maliki Yawmiddin.
Meme pronounced from the dry part of both lips. Dry part of both lips, I am looking you. Malik Yawmiddin.
Maliki Yawmiddin.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Iyyaka. Yes. Iyyaka.
Iyyaka.
Pronounce it very hardly because Tashdeed sign is on the ya. You know what is the Tashdeed sign? Look at my cursor. This is Tashdeed sign. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Ain pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Nasta'in.
Nasta'in.
Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim.
Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim.
Ihdi. Ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat. Swad. Not like a whistle sound. It's swad, not a sin. Nas-siratal mustaqim. Sin like a pronounced like a whistle sound. Okay. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim.
Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim.
Very nice. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim.
Suratul lazina.
Ta. Repeat it again. Listen to me, ta pronunciation. I am telling you how we'll pronounce ta. Ta. Listen to me very carefully. Ta pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Repeat it. Ta. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم
Yes.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. غير المغضوب.
غير المغضوب.
Yes. Zghat. How will pronounce zghat? Listen to me. Zghat pronounced from the sides of the tongue touching the roots of the upper molars. Okay, top back teeth. غير المغضوب
غير المغضوب
عليهم ولا الضالين.
عليهم ولا